Hi, this is Michael Ellis, and this is part 2 of the Orgonite to Gold, or Making Gold with Orgonite series. And as you can see, we have some of the electrolysis taking place right now. I don't know if you can see that, but it's kind of a white mist coming from the nail. I'll kind of zoom in on that. Down by the base there, or by the point. It's kind of a white fog. Just kind of wanted to record that, so let you know that electrolysis is taking place there. So, and I'll make a third video once we have the orange powder kind of forming in the liquid, or the orange liquid forming, or whatever. Now, first an orange liquid forms, then orange powder forms. So I'll update when that occurs. So this is actually more the silvery type of material. So yeah, thanks for watching.